In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WhatsApp status by deleting and reposting. Quick note before we begin. WhatsApp doesn't let you edit a status once it's posted. If you want to update what people see, you'll need to delete your current status and then add a new one. I'll walk you through that entire process clearly and quickly. Start by opening WhatsApp. Once you're in, go to the Status tab at the top of the screen. On some devices, you might see it labeled or placed slightly differently, but you're looking for the section where your status updates live. Tap My Status to see everything you've posted in the last 24 hours. Find the status you want to remove. Tap the three dots next to that specific status to open the options. Choose Delete and then confirm delete. This removes that status for everyone. If you had several status updates posted, you can delete just the one you don't want while leaving others untouched. With the old status gone, let's add your updated version. Go back to My Status. If you want to share a quick text update, tap the pencil icon. This is great for short messages, reminders, or quotes. You can type your text, and you usually have options to change the background color, choose a font, or add emoji for clarity and personality. If you prefer a photo or video, tap the camera icon. You can capture something new or select from your gallery. Add a caption if needed so viewers know what they're looking at. When your status looks the way you want, tap Send or Post to update. That's it. Your new status is live. Remember, WhatsApp statuses disappear after 24 hours, so if you need it beyond that, be ready to repost it later. Also, once someone has seen an old status, deleting it doesn't erase their memory of it. Deleting simply removes it from future viewing. A few helpful tips as you do this. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, so your deletion and new upload go through smoothly. If you're sharing photos or videos, keep an eye on file size and length. Shorter clips load faster and are easier for people to watch. And consider who can see your status. Your audience is controlled by your status privacy settings, so it's a good idea to be mindful of that before you post. Follow these steps whenever you need to correct a typo, swap out an image, or refresh your message. Open WhatsApp, delete the old status, create a new one with the pencil or camera, and post. Simple, clean, and up to date.